Hello, my name is James Zhu. Today I will show you how to configure the Htek IP phone with Xswitch. And in this session, I will introduce kind of the Htek UCV50 series IP phone, and I will use the UCV50 PL as example for testing purpose. Okay, it's outlook like this one. It's a video phone, smart video phone here, and got a lot of the feature, maybe features Android SDK, and of course you can support the video conference and can customize and implement in Google Play. Even can got a lot of the like USB connection or Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi connection. Nowadays I use the Wi-Fi. Here is Outlook. Let me show you Outlook here. Here's Outlook. I think not very clear. You can put here. Okay, if you got any query, you can always access htek.com to check the models. And here I log in already. We can see the product model here, UCV50 and firmware. Actually, they got a lot of menus as usual. If you got SIP phone, you always can see the menus here, or profile menus. Profile menus got a basic, codecs, advanced, account menus. You get the account and registered to maybe SIP server or other servers, and the networks. You can configure your networks with different maybe IP or different IP models. Got the I think up to 36 keys, function keys. You can configure that. For each key, you can configure by maybe the line, maybe dial, BLF, voicemail. You can maybe intercom, and DTMF, LDM, conference, and so on. Of course, you can select two different accounts to bound that. And here also got settings for in terms like web page. You can maybe display in different languages. There are kind of the language support for Chinese, French, Italy, and so on, and many Chinese here also. And LCD, if you LCD is like a monitor here, you can display LCD. Also can be in different languages. And here I've got the features. If you got the want to add the features for LCD and so on, and daytime and so on. SMS, voice, XMR. You can set up the XML to integrate with maybe some development or some applications. Of course, we've got the power saving. You can always enable that for power saving. There is a directory. You always make a call. Maybe you make a call from directory. Any directory you can import here. Management. And you always can maybe manage or upload or implement your phones, or maybe use a different certificate, configuration, and tool and so on. So this is the main menu. Of course, here in the for testing purpose, here I registered already, and this is the extensions and port numbers. Even the IP is there already, and because I use this one. So with this IP, we can come up. For example, here, sorry, I transfer to English version here. Okay, here this is one for the Xswitch English version. Here we got the dashboard, CDR, media file, meetings. CDR is in terms like call flow already, call record. You can filter the different CDR in terms of CID, destination number, or UID, and so on. You also can set some advanced searching here. Media files, you also can upload media files for different purpose. Okay, yeah, meetings for conference call, you can set the meetings and so on. So billings, you can charge of the cost in terms like the internal call, international call, maybe the local call and so on. So this is about the talk about the Xswitch. Xswitch is real-time communication system support video calls and even can be used or implement as a PBX. Here we talk about PBX, a video conference server, even the application server, and also can integrate with a third party like IRT, IoT, even the AI. Here got AI interface. You can set AI for different purpose. Of course, we also can got here we can see the troubleshootings. If you are familiar with the FreeSpace, you can see the terminals or maybe the CLI command here. And basically, I use 3 extensions here. One is for Htek UCV50 PRO for testing purpose. This is other Htek phones and soft phone. Soft phone, I use this one. Sorry. Micro SIP register ready. You can see the feature, the registration information here already. And so that's all. Then you can, if you want to make a call, you also can make a testing purpose. You can make a call. I call the cell phones. Okay, I call the cell phone and will be answered. Hello, hello. Testing purpose. We can see the call is coming ready and the brings up. And let's check. Call cell phone is there. Of course, you can enable it and press enter, and then trace out. You have always trace the raw here. Okay, I have a call ready. You also can make a call from the cell phone. For example, I call Jensen. Hello, hello. Testing. Testing. You can make a call already. See what happens here. Okay. We can see the set CDR already, and yeah, you can choose back the call flow. Of course, the depends if you want to make a call. You always, I think, and the call routing. Sorry, it should be English, but in Chinese. You make a call. For example, you want to make want to make a call with prefix 9. You can add 9. and so on. So it's very powerful. Again, of course, Htek got a lot of the phones here. You always can access website to if you want to choose different models. Here got one video phones is very high-end class phones. Of course, we also got a executive business phone and with UC900 and some entry-level phones here. And you also can check from website and with sales team and got a lot of phones. These entry-level phones also can support Wi-Fi. Of course, we also got the Wi-Fi phone here. Can support the user Wi-Fi to make connections without any keyboards installed there. And they recently also released the PSTN box, which is a PNB10 PSTN box. You can use this one for make a PSTN call to SIP without install any extra gateway and so on. So it's very flexible, very easy to implement. Of course, we also got the kind of the solutions for hospitality, enterprise, call center, healthcare, airport, and so you can always access website, Htek website to get more of the information about the Htek and the IP phone. So far, I think later if you always can follow me, then later I will introduce more about the IP phone features, and then we will introduce one by one and give you more detail about the features and how to set up, troubleshooting, and so on. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.